आप इस वीडियो को हिंदी ऑडियो के साथ मेरे अल्टरनेट चैनल youtube.com/md मुदस्सिर आलम पर देख सकते हैं। चैनल की लिंक मैंने इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपके साथ शेयर कर दिया है। हेलो एंड वेलकम टू माय चैनल। दिस इज करियर मास्टर मोहम्मद मुदस्सिर आलम। आई होप you are healthy, you are safe, you are taking proper care of yourself. I am requesting you to kindly be confined at your home, take proper care from COVID-19. In this exclusive video, I have brought an exclusive information about NCC National Cadet Corps. This is a big news. This is we can say great news for those who are pursuing NCC as part-time extracurricular activity. Earlier, what happened? Earlier, what it was happening that NCC was offered as a part-time activity at the school level as well as the university and college level. But a new guideline has come from University Grants Commission. Now you can pursue a special course on NCC at undergraduate level. You can choose as an elective course under choice-based credit system. The guidelines has been issued to the Vice Chancellor as well as principals of the universities and colleges. The guidelines has been issued by University Grants Commission as well as AICTE for technical institution. Further, what will happen if the NCC is introduced at the undergraduate level? You will get a particular subject, particular course by the name of the NCC. You will get the marks on that, and you will be given the certificate A, B, C that will be helpful in getting the job. That certificate will be very helpful in getting government job, especially in Indian security forces, as well as you will get the preference in other government jobs. What are the guidelines, how the course is structured, what is the bullet points in this proposal? I am going to share all the details, so kindly watch the video further carefully. On your screen you can see the letter of Professor Rajneesh Jain, Secretary, University Grants Commission, 15th of April 2021. Subject NCC as General Elective Credit Course. Respected Madam Sir, UGC has received a letter dated 16th of March 2021 from Director General NCC proposing to include NCC as an elective subject in Indian universities. The detailed proposal of NCC is attached for your consideration and appropriate action. A list of state-wise NCC DTEs, state directed officers, is also attached in Appendix B with the proposal. You may contact the state officers of the NCC DTEs for further information in this regard. Let us see what is mentioned in this letter further. You can see the attachment. NCC as General Elective Credit Course references. Please refer the following. These are the communication made regarding this proposal on various dates. General, keeping in mind the NAP 2020 was announced in the year 2020 by GOI and is on course for implementation in phased manner. So this decision is taken keeping in mind the NAP 2021. NAP 2020 having choice-based credit system as its component, it has been felt that NCC should be introduced as general active credit course in university and colleges, having NCC to make it more popular, thereby benefiting the student fraternity enrolled with NCC. Other details are given. This is the proposal. You can see the points of the proposal. You can pause the video and read all the details. What will the course structure is given in Appendix A. I am going to share the Appendix A further. You can see Appendix A, NCC General Elective Credit Course Design Summary, Semester Credits Allocated, Theory, Practical, Camp, Total Remarks. Semester 1, Semester 2, Semester 3, Semester 4, Semester 5 and Semester 6. This is made keeping in mind the 3-year undergraduate courses. To total 24 credits may be given to NCC as per the proposal. Some other details are given in the document. I am going to scroll the document. You can pause the document and read all the details. You can see these are the army related points. Semester wise distribution of NCC syllabus for theory. Semester wise distribution of NCC syllabus for practical. How practical may be conducted if NCC is introduced as CBCS system. NCC camp training syllabus. This is the syllabus for camp. And further training objectives. What are the objectives for training? So this is the long document. I have shared the link of this document in the description of this video. You can click the link and read all the details. I am sure after watching this video, all those who are pursuing NCC as part-time activity are now very happy, as the NCC is going to be part of the main course. What are the guidelines? What are the instructions? What are the important points of this proposal? I have shared the link of the document in the description of this video. You can download the document and read all the instructions, all the guidelines. Thanks a lot. Please keep on watching my channel. All the best for your career.